Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, low mileage, 49,000 miles, 2014 Jaguar XF. 2.2 diesel, premium luxury, automatic, metallic black, ivory leather, got the 19-inch AQUILLA alloys, but the 19-inch alloys look good on there. Okay, cam belt replaced at 28,000 miles, 6 services by Harwood's Jaguar and serviced by us at Barclay Motor Company. So £9,295, 49,000 miles. Nice specification as well. Always good, black with ivory for a 2.2 premium luxury. Those wheels are an upgrade. See, it's got a reverse camera, rear park, keyless, electric memory heated seats, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, MERIDIAN HIFI. These some pads on the front look new. There's the keyless buttons. Lovely, lovely, lovely with ivory leather. Typical low mileage car. No wear on the driver's seat. There's the sat nav, as I say, it's got a reverse camera, heated seats, the aircon's on, it is blowing freezing cold. Got the original fitted carpet mats. Super clean throughout. We haven't even valeted this car. Came in like this. We have washed it and polished it. Inside was just factored out. Wasn't dirty at all. So, reverse cameras under there. Rear park sensors on the bumper. Has got the space saver spare wheel under here. There you go, space saver spare wheel. Super condition this. I mean, it's a low mileage car, but it's also been very well looked after. I think we have sold this car before to the last owner, 18 months, 2 years ago. He's only done a few thousand miles in it. Michelin's on the front, and they're Goodyears on the back. So premium, they are premium tyres all round. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors. There's the memories for the driver's seat, the electric seat, MERIDIAN HIFI. Steering wheel with all the buttons on, 49,100 miles on the clock. Heated seat buttons are there. Driver's seat leather, beautiful electric seats. I'll show you the reverse camera because it has got one. There you go, reverse camera. DAB radio, Bluetooth. Lovely, lovely Jaguar that. £9,295, 2 keys. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguar XFs in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. You can have a thumb through those. And if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will be the first person, or one of the first people in the UK to know when we upload a fresh car into stock. You'll get a little notification to your phone or iPad or desktop or laptop. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.